In his first daily briefing since recovering from the coronavirus himself, Boris Johnson delivered cautious good news, suggesting the worst of the outbreak has passed.
And so I can confirm today that for the first time, we are past the peak of this disease. We're past the peak and we're on the downward slope.
But Johnson stopped short of announcing precisely when the lockdown will be lifted, emphasizing the government must first meet 5 conditions, including a sustained fall in deaths and infection rates, ensuring the NHS can cope with patient loads, and guaranteeing sufficient supplies of tests and protective equipment for health workers. And while the Prime Minister insisted the UK is massively ramping up testing, the government has acknowledged it is still behind its target of 100,000 tests daily by the end of April. As for the next steps, Johnson will lay out a comprehensive plan next week aimed both at reopening the economy and avoiding a new spike in infections.
That's why we've got to calibrate our measures so carefully and make sure that we not only unlock the economy gradually, but also find ways of continuing to suppress the disease, and possibly new ways and more ingenious ways of suppressing the disease as well.
The Prime Minister vowed to present a, quote, menu of options on easing the lockdown, though he said the exact dates of any changes will be driven by upcoming advice from scientists.